You've booked your trip to Vietnam, you've got Hanoi and Ha Long Bay on your itinerary. But are you making the biggest mistake travelers make by rushing through Ninh Binh? This region has 5 experiences that rival anything else in Southeast Asia, yet most tourists only visit 1 or 2. In today's guide, I'm breaking down the 5 must-do activities in Ninh Binh that will make your Instagram followers think you've discovered an untouched paradise. After visiting Vietnam 12 times, I've learned exactly which spots are worth your precious vacation time and which popular attractions you can actually skip. Coming in at number 5 on our list is Bai Dinh Pagoda, a truly special place many tourists miss. Unlike other temples you might see on your travels, this massive complex spans 539 hectares and blends both old and new Buddhist architecture. What makes it amazing? The numbers tell the story. 500 Arhat statues, each with its own unique face, and Vietnam's largest bronze Buddha standing 10 meters tall and weighing 100 tons. Too tired to walk the huge grounds? No problem. For just 30,000 VND, hop on an electric car to see it all. Built between 2003 and 2010, the pagoda offers a peaceful break from busy travel days. The best time to visit is April to June or September to October, when the weather is nice and rain is less likely. Did you know there's a cave in Ninh Binh where a king once meditated, with a natural skylight that creates dancing patterns on 1,000-year-old stone? Coming in at number 4 on our list is Ninh Binh's best-kept secret. While most tourists flock to the popular spots, Am Tien Cave remains peaceful and uncrowded. The entrance itself tells a story, with ancient Hoa Sun Temple ruins marking your path into this hidden world. This isn't just any cave. It's where King Dinh Tien Huang, founder of the Dinh dynasty, came to meditate. Inside, you'll be amazed by stunning stalactites and stalagmites formed over thousands of years. The natural skylight creates magical patterns on the cave walls that change throughout the day. Getting here is easier than ever. What once required a mountain climb can now be accessed through a tunnel, all for just 20,000 VND per person. Coming in at number 3 on our list is a spot that demands sweat but pays back with views that haunt those who skip it. Unlike Am Tien Cave's easy tunnel access, Mua Cave asks you to conquer 500 stone steps up the Dragon Mountain. The name Hang Mua actually means dancing cave because Emperor Tran Tai Tong came here to watch dance shows. As you climb, each level reveals wider views of Tam Coc's rice fields spreading below you. Ancient shrines and dragon carvings line your path to the top. The summit costs 100,000 VND to access, but rewards you with the most photographed spot in Ninh Binh. Visit early morning to beat both crowds and heat. The panoramic view of Karst Mountains is worth every drop of sweat. At the number 2 spot on our list is a place where Vietnam's past comes alive after dark. Hoa Lu Ancient Town might be new, but it captures the spirit of 10th century Dai Viet in ways history books cannot. Unlike the natural attractions we've seen, this recreated town celebrates Vietnam's cultural heritage. By day, you can watch craftspeople from famous villages like Ninh Van stone carvers and Van Lam embroiderers create traditional works. At night, the town transforms as 2 pagoda towers light up and colorful lanterns glow throughout the streets. The best part? Entry is completely free. For just 80,000 VND, you can take a boat ride on Kai Lan Lake for stunning night views. You can even rent traditional costumes for photos that'll make your friends think you time traveled. Those lake views at Hoa Lu are nice, but they pale in comparison to what sits at number 1 on our list. Trang An is the only UNESCO-protected boat tour in Ninh Binh, and many consider it the crown jewel of the entire region. While some tourists opt for shorter boat rides nearby, they miss what makes Trang An special. This 3-hour journey takes you through a network of caves where your head nearly touches the ceiling as you pass through in darkness. The same stunning landscapes that convinced Hollywood directors to film Kong, Skull Island here are yours to explore. Unlike other boat tours, Trang An is kept clean and pristine, with no vendors to disturb your peace. At 250,000 VND for adults and 100,000 VND for children, it's worth every dong to see these towering limestone mountains reflect perfectly in the calm waters below. Now that you've seen the best of Ninh Binh, let's talk about making your trip perfect. Don't rush through on a day trip from Hanoi. Stay at least 2 nights to fully enjoy everything. Trang An and Tam Coc offer great places to stay close to the main sites. Getting around is easy. Rent a motorbike, use hotel bicycles, or call a Grab. Have you been to Ninh Binh? Which of these 5 amazing spots would you most want to visit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Vietnam travel tips.